Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show how to turn on password reset protection on Twitter app. For these settings you have to go to Twitter app. Then you have to click at the top left corner. Then you have to click settings and support option and scroll down and click to settings and privacy option. Then you have to click your account option, then two number options, security and account access. Then you have to click security option, then scroll down and click to the password reset protection. Turn on this option. If enabled, you must provide either the phone number or email address associated with your account in order to reset your password. Turn on this option, then re-enter your password to save change in your account. Then you have to click OK. The password reset protection has been turned on. Friends, that was the video. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.